Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start a new chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with the topic point. So mark any two dots on a paper by using the tip of a pencil. So this yellow color is my paper and here I have drawn here 2 points with the tip of my pencil. These 2 points are there. Now, how will you distinguish these 2 points? How will you separate these 2 points? So here we can see that for human beings also we have our names. Here two girls, you can see the pic of two girls. One is Ragini and one is Kamini. So we can identify the person by their name. Same way geometrical figures are also have their own names. So the point is now how to give the name to the points. So to distinguish these 2 points, we use capital letters from A to Z. So I am taking 2 points A and B. So name of the point is point A and point B. Suppose I'll talk about point B, so everyone can look at this point. If I say point A, everyone can look at this point. So this way, by giving name, we can distinguish these 2 points. So thus a point is a dot used to represent the exact location. It has neither length nor thickness and nor width. It is just a mark of a position. How can we read this? We read this as a point A and this we read this as a point B. The examples, if you think from our daily life, the stars in the sky represents the points. Now next topic is collinear points. So meaning of co is same and linear means line. So with the name itself, the definition of collinear points is clear. The lines which lie on the same line are known as collinear points. So here we require 3 or more points because with 2 points we can draw only one line. So the important point is 3 or more points which lie on the same line are called collinear points. So here you can see that one line is given and on this line 3 points are there. These 3 points, point A, point B and point C lie on the same line. So point A, B, C are known as collinear points. Next is non-collinear points. Non means not. Again, we can define this definition. The points which do not lie on the same point are known as non-collinear points. Again, here the important point is 3 or more points. Or we can say the points which are not collinear are known as non-collinear points. So again here you can see a pic of a line and here many points are there. These blue color points, point L, point M, point N are collinear points because these lie on the same point, and these two pink color points are not on the same line. So these are known as non-collinear points. So we can say that point L, M, N and O are non-collinear points, or L, M, N, P are non-collinear points, or any 2 points on the line and the third point which is not on the line are non-collinear points. So videos are ready to watch for grade 6. Chapter number 1, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics. Chapter 2, whole numbers, 8 subtopics. Chapter number 3, playing with number, 11 subtopics. And for all the 3 chapters, part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopic is mentioned in part 1. Next is interior and exterior points. So here I will take few figures before that, interior means inside the figure and exterior means outside the figure. So this way we can define interior and exterior points. So take few figures. This is the first figure. Now second figure is a triangle, third figure is a rectangle, and the next figure is a circle. So now interior points, so the points which lie inside the figure, that is pink shaded part. So point L is interior point. For the triangle, this point B is inside the triangle. So this is interior point. For a rectangle, point C is inside the rectangle. This is interior point. For a circle, point A is inside the circle. So this is interior point. So point L, B, C, A are called interior points. Exterior means outside the figure. So here point O is outside the figure. Point D is outside the figure. Point E is outside the figure. Point F is outside the figure. So these points are known as exterior points. Points on the figure, so the points which lie on the figure, or we can say boundary of the figure, those are known as points on the figure. So here this point M, now here this is point N, for rectangle point P, and for circle point R, known as points on the figure. One more is their point in the region. What is the meaning of region? Region includes two parts, inside the figure and on the figure. So the points which lies inside the figure and on the figure are known as points in the region. So for this figure, point L and point M. For triangle, point B and point N. For rectangle, point C and point P, and for circle, point A and point R, known as points in the region. Now a concept check. So here one figure is given. Interior points. What are the interior points? Point B and point C are the interior points. Exterior points, point A and point R, the exterior points. Points on the figure, so point P and point Q are on the figures, and points in the region, so point B, point C, point Q and point P are points in the region. Collinear points, point A, B, C. Here you can draw one line. So these 3 points are collinear points. Non-collinear points, so you can say point A, B, C and Q or P are non-collinear points. Any 2 points on one line and third point which is not on the line are known as non-collinear points. Now the next one is line. Here you can see that 3 points I have taken. With these 3 points we can draw one line. So this way we can define the definition of line. A line is a collection of points. I have taken only 3 points. You can take many points. So a line is a collection of points going endlessly in both the direction along straight path. Both the direction, this arrow on the right hand side and left hand side indicates that we can extend the line in both the direction. So this is the figure of to represent a line. The symbol we use to represent line is one bar with arrows on both the side. How can we denote this line? Any 2 points, so A, B with the symbol, and since both the direction we can increase the line, so we can change the order. We can say B, A. So both the ways are correct to represent the line. Or how do we read this? We read this as a line AB or line BA. Example, it's difficult to give the accurate example of a line, just for the understanding you can look at this figure. You assume that you are standing on the middle of the highway. You look on both the side, you can see a straight line till wherever you can see. So we can say that roads are the example of a straight line. Once again I am telling you, this is not the accurate example. Just for understanding you can take road as an example of a line. Chapter 6, playing with numbers. 11 subtopics are there. You can read these subtopics and part 1 link is given in the description. Link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Please go through with these videos. Facts about the line. So this is the figure of a line. Here few facts are there. Arrows on both the side. These arrows on both the side indicate that we can extend the line in both the direction. It has no fixed point. Since we can extend on both the direction, it means it has no fixed points. If fixed points are not there, it means it has no fixed length. A line cannot be drawn completely on a sheet of paper since we can extend on both the direction. So whatever length of page is there, you can draw only that much of line. So complete line is not possible to draw on a given page. There are infinite points on a line. Here I have taken only 3 points, but there are infinite points on a line. It has only length, no width or no thickness. Here you can see that only length, no width, no thickness. Infinite number of lines passes through a point. If I'll give you this one point, so from the given point we can draw infinite number of lines. Two lines can intersect in only one point. So if these two lines are there, you will get only one point of intersection. Exact one line can pass through two given points. If 2 points are given, so we can draw only one line through the 2 points. Naming the line in different ways. So this is the line. We can name the line with two different ways. The first one is using two capital letters. So any two, here 3 points are given. So you can choose any two. Suppose A and B. So you can say AB and reverse order BA. Now next time you can see A and C. So you can say AC and reverse order is CA. Or you can choose B and C 2 points. So BC and the reverse order is CB. And the another way of representing a line by using a small letter. Here small letter L is given. So for the particular figure, the name of the line will be small l. But any small letter you can use just like L, M, N, P. So any small letter we can use to represent a line. And we read this as a line L. Now the concept check. Again here one line and few points are given. You are supposed to name the line in different ways. So the easiest way, we can start with the point A. So with point A you can choose one more point. So A and B. So AB and reverse order will be BA. Next time with A choose C. So AC and CA. Next time with A choose D. So AD and reverse order is DA. Now next time you can start with the point B. So B and C. So reverse order will be CB. Now with B choose D. So BD and the reverse order will be DB. And now starting with C, C and D, only one option we have, CD, and the reverse order is DC. And using small letter, here small letter M is given, so we can represent the line by small letter, that is line M. So these are the different 13 ways to represent a line. One more concept check. Here one figure is given, so you need to give answer from the following figure. Name line L in two different ways. So this is your line L. This line L, this is yellow color one, and 2 points are there on this yellow line, D and C. So we can represent as a DC and reverse order is CD. Name the line M in two different ways. Search for line M. This is your line M. And now I am showing this line M with green color. On green color, 2 points are there, point D and point B. So DB and reverse order is BD. Now line P in three different ways. So this is your line P. Line P I am representing with the pink color. On this pink color, 3 points are there. So any 2 points you can choose at a time. Suppose I am choosing with A and B. So AB and BA. Similarly with A I can choose C. So AC and CA. Now starting with B, B and C or CB. So these are the different ways of representing line. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and also to share my video and also to watch my next video.